As we approach 10 minutes to 7, it's time now for another check of your pinpoint weather and traffic together. TJ has an update on when we think the snow is going to start falling here in southern New England.
Danielle, I think it's going to be probably around mid-morning or so. We'll see some light snow. It'll get heavier throughout the late morning and especially during the early afternoon. Let's take a look at what's going on. We actually had a beautiful sunrise a short time ago. You can still see some colors there in the sky, some oranges and grays and pinks. Oh, it was a gorgeous sunrise. But now the clouds are beginning to thicken up. We've got some snow not too far away. Seeing some reports of some light snow falling in parts of central Connecticut. And again, we're not looking at any issues for your morning commute. Temperatures, though, are cold. You might want to allow your car a little extra time to warm up. 13 in Coventry, 18 Charlestown, 21 in Newport. Over in New Bedford, we've got a whole 12 degrees. Satellite radar picture showing this big storm system winding up as it was working its way through the northeast. It's this batch of snow and rain down here that's going to be working its way through our area during the mid-morning, especially during the early afternoon, and most of it should be gone by the evening commute. However, there'll already be quite a bit of snow on the ground. I shouldn't say quite a bit. There'll be a few inches of snow on the ground across parts of the area, but just enough to slow things down for the evening commute. Let's break it all down for you with our Futurecast noontime today. Notice this big area of dark blue. That's some heavier snow working its way through the region. Still snowing, possibly heavily at times, even at 2 o'clock in the afternoon up in northern Rhode Island. But notice how milder air comes in. Southeasterly winds, eventually easterly winds change the precipitation over to some sleet and even some rain along the immediate south coast, maybe up into Providence, and that will keep accumulations down for areas to the south. But up in the northern part of the state, it's going to be mainly in the form of some snow. And notice by the evening commute, the precipitation is gone, maybe just some lighter showers and snow showers after about 4 o'clock or so, and taking you into the daytime tomorrow, starting off dry, but another round of showers, rain showers, will be working its way through. Might actually begin as some snow showers early on Wednesday afternoon. Here's what I'm expecting for today. 2 to 4 inches, Providence area down to Kent County, northern Washington County. 3 to 5 inches, areas mainly north and west of 295, Woonsocket, Foster, Gloucester, Burrillville, North Smithfield, Scituate, Johnston, Cumberland, Lincoln, maybe even to Pawtucket and Central Falls. 2 to 4 inches, central Rhode Island, coating to 2 inches expected along the immediate south coast. Here's how I expect it to pile up for Providence. I actually will start with Woonsocket first. 3 to 5 inches total between 9 and 11 a.m., maybe only a half an inch or so. The roadway is starting to get a little slick between 11 a.m. and 4 p.m. This is when the heaviest of the precipitation will be falling, 3 to 4 inches during that time frame. And then after about 4 o'clock, not a whole bunch in the way of additional accumulations, maybe about a half an inch or so. Now, for Providence, total accumulations 2 to 4. Basically same thing, just some light stuff till around 11 o'clock in the morning. 11 a.m. to 4 p.m. is when the heaviest of the snow arrives. But mixing a little bit. That keeps the accumulations down 2 to 3 inches, 11 a.m. to 4 p.m., 4 p.m. to 7 p.m. Just some lighter stuff. Might actually be mixing even during the late afternoon. Now it gets a little bit more complicated near the south coast. Some light stuff to 11 a.m. We'll see a burst of snow 11 a.m. to about 2 p.m. but begins to mix. Might pick up about an inch there, maybe a little bit of rain, and then maybe a little bit more snow after about 4 o'clock or so. So here's how it breaks down travel-wise. Your morning commute, mainly cloudy and dry. No issues for the morning commute. The evening commute, already have a lot of snow and slush on the ground. I expect the evening commute to be slow later today with those messy roads, but most of the precipitation should be done. Here's your 7-day Futurecast. Some rain for Wednesday, rain showers, dry Thursday, but mild, very mild on Friday with rain, though possibly heavy at times. The weekend looks dry and not so bad. 45 Saturday, 38 degrees on Sunday. You can get the updated Futurecast from meteorologist Tony Petrarca. He'll be in later today on Eyewitness News Live at 5. Let's get an update now on that morning commute with your Jam Cam traffic.